everybody, my name is ILDIKO. I have started this new channel because I also started a new type of work, or perhaps a new profession. It was the COVID-19 pandemic that initiated me to look for opportunities working from home, the type of work where I can utilize my educational background and also my experience that you can see on LinkedIn, here I think, or perhaps in the About section of this channel. And also my legal experience, such as writing court papers, motions, briefs, answers, replies, and so on. I was writing them, serving those papers on the other parties, appearing in court, and representing cases, e-filing legal documents with the courts, and also doing legal research mainly by using resources. But let's come back to working from home, because it is the reason why I have started this new channel. I found that a number of work opportunities are for aiding the work of the courts by replacing in-person services with remote services and utilizing technology. During the pandemic, the digital services industry skyrocketed in many industries, and the courts were not an exception. And probably it will remain so in the future. So all this meant that I found several digital court reporter opportunities on job sites, and I thought I have to check them out. I could merge my technology user experience with my legal experience in courts and writing legal papers, and also some of my educational backgrounds could be an asset. So I moved ahead with the digital court reporter profession to become one. So let's say that usually, or in the past, court reporting was or is done by an in-person reporter, so-called stenographers, sitting in the courtroom and typing everything they hear on the record, and they create a written transcript of those spoken words called transcript. And during the pandemic, these stenographers also could not attend in-person court hearings and trials because the court sessions were limited, and moved to use technology for transcription. So here comes in the digital court reporter. Today, in the technologically more and more advanced world, some court sessions are done over a Zoom meeting or by using other video conferencing platform and recorded. And it is recorded in a certain way that it makes it clear for the parties of the legal case when the spoken word is meant to be on the record of a legal matter for the court, and when it is off the record. And the technology makes it possible to provide audio playback of the recorded spoken words and to show exhibits on the record. So to become a digital reporter, you will go through a training program with two parts: an educational, informative lexical knowledge with several tests, and a practical experience training, how to use the software, how to handle different situations, how to work on projects, and how to use a company web portal to accept assignments or decline assignments, upload files, and so on. So you will get to know everything you need to know and do on the job. And you are working from the comfort of your home. So this is really an exciting opportunity that you can do by working from home and utilizing your legal knowledge, for example, or whatever interest you may have in this profession. And most importantly, there is plenty of room for improvement. And this was also something that really clicked in me for moving up on the ladder. You could add to become a transcriber as well, which also requires a training program, a transcriber training program, or you could also become a legal videographer. So to be a digital reporter, you are recording the sound, audio. The transcriber is writing down the spoken words, and the legal videographer is capturing the image of the deposition. So basically you could accept different types of projects at your ease, and this type of works are mainly depositions filed with the courts. And you may wish to become a lawyer one day. So again, on this channel I will show you the work of the digital court reporter, recording the audio over Zoom, some insights, knowledge, practicalities, how to do different things or what to pay attention to, what I learned during my work as a digital reporter and continuously learning, especially because I just started to do it and I love it. It is really great and enjoyable. It is done in a setting that as a digital reporter you are hosting these depositions with the attorneys representing the parties and the deponent or witness who is being asked a series of questions or show exhibits to them, and you are recording it. So you have to be comfortable working with attorneys just as working with technology, and to be detail oriented because there are a lot of little things you have to pay attention to. And you need to be a notary public to swear in the witness, the deponent. So on this channel I will show you, for example, how to share computer sound on Zoom, and where you can see the confirmation that you are really sharing the sound, because it is important for audio playback. Attorneys may ask you to play back what was recorded and said earlier, or how to connect your phone to the backup recorder, because you have to be sure that you will not lose the material, which is in this case the audio recording. So you need to have a backup recording as well. Or how can the Zoom host, you as a digital reporter, you are the host, rename participants if they have trouble doing so by themselves, to easily identify them, or how to share exhibits with minimal interruption and you can still comfortably continue typing your notes of the deposition while you are sharing exhibits and using your court reporter software, because you will use a special software for this work. And so on and so on. The example could go on. I hope you will find the information on this channel useful for this work, and so the profession, the digital court reporter profession. And hope to see you back soon. Thank you for your interest. Bye now.